I'm back.
Alright, enough of that. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you miss me? Did you miss me not? I know you missed me. Alright guys, ever heard about Forex trading? And you're like, can I actually make money trading currencies? Then this series is for you. Why? Because I am starting a beginner to advanced series where I take who knows absolutely nothing about Forex trading into what an advanced trader. And if that sounds good to you, do well to stick around until the end of this series, and if you do so, you would already be ahead of 90% of beginners that dive into the Forex market with absolutely no knowledge. So yes, let's get to work, let's get to the screens, and let me give you knowledge for free. Alright guys, I'm about to embark in this series, and trust me, I just need you to, have a little bit of determination, seriousness, focus, because it will actually be way easy with me because I'm a very good teacher actually. Yeah, so just help me, give me your time, give me your attention, and you would be good in this class. Alright, so starting with Forex trading. What is Forex trading? Now, please, I don't want to catch any of my students out there maybe on a podcast and they ask you what's the full meaning of FX and you just know the acronym and you don't know the full meaning. Please, Forex or FX means what? Foreign exchange, right? So now, what is Forex? Forex simply means, let me type this one for you guys. Forex simply means, sorry, why is it in capital letter? Let's take this back. I didn't see that. So Forex simply means what? Forex simply means the global marketplace where people buy and sell currency pairs. The global market place where people do what? They buy and what? Sell currencies. Okay, so like I said, Forex simply means what? The global market where people buy. Oh, sorry about this, I didn't say that. Where people buy and what? Sell currencies. And think about it this way. Every time you travel out, let's say to another country basically, and you exchange your money, you literally just participated in Forex. But instead, you did what? You are physically going to what? An exchange desk. Like traders like us, we do it online, aiming to what? Profit from what? The exchange in the exchange rates, right? Sorry, the changes in the exchange rates rather. So now, and here's the crazy part. The Forex market is actually the largest financial market in the world because what? Over $6 trillion moves every single day and is bigger than what? The stock markets, the crypto market, commodities, and every other thing you could think of. Just imagine $6 trillion moving, ready and available for you in the Forex chart every single day. You literally just need to what? Have the knowledge to come and what? Take your part, take what belongs to Caesar basically and run off. So now, we have to go to the second phase of what? Today's class, which is what? Why? Let's type that. Why people, people trade Forex. Okay, so now, why people trade Forex? Number one, let's say, number one, freedom. Number two, global markets. And let's say number three, for opportunities. So now let's list that out. Let's type that out on the screen. So one reason, what did I say? I said for freedom. Let's do that in small letter. For freedom, What else did I say? Global markets. I'm going to explain it, don't worry. I'm going to give you my reasons. And what else did I say? Opportunities. Yeah, opportunity. Right, so these are like 3 solid reasons why I feel people trade forex. I mean, there are other reasons there, but let's keep it simple here. I just want to give you guys a solid explanation. So now for freedom, you can trade literally from anywhere in the world. That is freedom to me. As long as you have internet connection, you can trade literally from anywhere in the world, unlike 9 to 5 that, I mean, you have to be in a particular country, or I don't know, you know, basically freedom. Number 2, the global markets. I mean, currencies are always moving. There are opportunities 24 hours a day, 5 days a week for you and the forex chart, unless you're trading BTC, of which that is not foreign currency, that is not under forex. We're talking majorly about what foreign exchange here, forex trading basically. So you have what, 5 days in a week to what, look for money in the forex chart. And now the third one, opportunity. Because the market is so liquid and active, you can actually make money whether the market is going up or down. Do you get? You can actually, what I mean by up or down is buy or sell. Don't forget, in the definition of forex trading, I mentioned buy and sell. So yeah, that's what I mean by going up or down. Okay, but the third session for this series would be what? The key terms a beginner must know. So let's type that out. Key terms. The key terms a beginner or must know. All right, so the key terms a beginner must know. Before we go further into this series, let's look out for what the key terms a beginners must know as a forex trader. Number 1 is what? The major thing which we are here to trade, which is what? Currency pairs. Remember I said forex trading is what? Foreign exchange. So let's list that out. Currency pairs. Currencies, sorry. Currency. Let's just say pairs, because I'm going to be showing you guys. Currency pairs. Pips. Spreads. Don't worry yourself, I'm going to still explain the meaning of everything I'm listing here. Spreads, what else? Brokers, of course. You need to know how you get access to the forex market. And yes, that will be it. So these key terms, I would expatiate on them. So yes, currency pairs, pips, and spreads, and then what? Brokers. So now for currency pairs in forex, you always trade one currency against the other. For example, let's say Euro USD slash USD. So that slash is more like you saying Euro versus what? The United States dollars, right? Means what? You are comparing the euro with what? US dollars. Now the second one is what? Pips. This is how we measure price movements in what? This is how we measure price movements rather. Let's say for instance, if euro versus USD moves from 1:1000, or sorry, let's say for instance, euro moves from what? 1.1000 to 1.1001. That's a 1 pip move for you in the market. So if you see a price move from what? For one price to the other with an inch. If you notice I said 1.1000. So let's say price was at what? 1.1000 and price moves to what? 1.1001. By 1 pip, that is meaning that what? 1 pip movement was made. So that is pips for you. I'm still going to like show you guys on another series. Like for now, this is like introduction class. I'm not showing charts, nothing. Introduction basically for beginners, and we're going to still go to the advanced class. So there I'll be showing you like practical things and how it looks like on the chart. So now the next one is what? Spreads. This is basically the cost of trading, the small difference between what? The buy price and what? The sell price. Now the fourth one is what? Brokers. Brokers, these are like the platforms that connect us to the market. You can't just walk up to Forex yourself. You need what? A broker to provide you access to actually trade and participate in the financial market. And moving forward, I'm still going to be letting you guys know the brokers I use that I can prescribe for you, very solid and all that. But for now, let's not distract what we are doing, which is what? Learning. So like the last thing I said was brokers. So now let me give you a more layman explanation, because that's how I actually teach. I would still give you I'll still give you grammar, and I'll still expatiate on it. So basically, back in the days, it wasn't possible for traders to just come with their $10, $100 and participate in the forex market. No, you have to actually have big amount of money, like the banks, like the big banks, to be able to what? Participate in forex trading. But then these brokers came in, and they are able to what? Give us access to the each of these